If you want to open DuckDuckGo in Google Chrome or even make it your default search engine, this quick guide will walk you through both methods step by step. DuckDuckGo is a popular privacy-focused search engine, and it's very easy to access directly from Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open it instantly and how to set it as your default, so every new search uses DuckDuckGo automatically. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's open DuckDuckGo normally in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your computer, then click in the address bar at the top. Type duckduckgo.com and press enter on your keyboard. In just a second, DuckDuckGo will open in your browser. This is the fastest way to visit the site anytime you want to search privately without changing any browser settings. If all you needed was to open DuckDuckGo once, you're already done. But if you want Chrome to use DuckDuckGo every time you search from the address bar, there's one more setting you can change. That way, you won't have to type the website manually each time. To set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine, click the three dots in the top right corner of Google Chrome. From the menu, open Settings. Once the Settings page loads, look for Search Engine and click it. In this section, you'll see the option to change your search engine. Click on Change, then select DuckDuckGo from the list of available search engines. After that, click Set as Default. Now, Chrome will use DuckDuckGo as your main search engine. That means whenever you type a search into the address bar, your results will go through DuckDuckGo instead of the previous default search engine. This is a great option if you prefer a more privacy-friendly browsing experience. If you ever want to switch back later, you can follow the same steps and choose a different search engine at any time. Chrome makes it easy to update this setting whenever you need to. So, to recap, if you just want to open DuckDuckGo, type duckduckgo.com into Chrome and press enter. If you want it to stay as your default search engine, go into Chrome settings, open search engine, click change, select DuckDuckGo, and set it as default. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.